Okay, so in this video I am going to show you how you can fetch your YouTube API key. Now this is a required step that you need to take before you can actually start using Content Gorilla. It's basically pretty simple. What you have to do is you have to go to console.developers.google.com, as you can see right here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask my developer to add this URL somewhere around this space, so it's easy for you to access. And once you open this, if you don't already have signed up on the developer service, you will be prompted with a button to sign up. It's free and it's just one click, so sign up for that. And once you do that, you'll be taken to this sort of dashboard. Now you can use any of your existing projects if you have. I'm just going to go ahead and create a new project. I'm going to call this Content Gorilla, and I'm just going to create this. And now let's just change the project from here. Now what you have to do is you have to go ahead and click on this button, Enable APIs and Services. In here you have to search for YouTube, and this will basically return all of the YouTube APIs. Now the API that we need is the YouTube Data API version 3. Alright, click on this and it will show an enable button right here. Give it a second, and as you can see, just go ahead and click on the enable button. And now as you can see, the API has been enabled. Now what we need to do is we need to create credentials. So you can just basically click here and it will do that. If you don't see a button here, what you can do is you can just go back and click on the Content Gorilla tab here, and it will take you back to the main home area of this. And so you can then create credentials from there. But I'm just going to click here, and in the which API you're using, you're going to select YouTube Data API v3, and here what you will select is you will select web browser. Alright, this is basically asking where we will be calling the API from, so we're going to select web browser for this. And what data will you be accessing? So we'll be basically using the public data, so you can just click on this public data, and then you can just create and then you can just basically click on that button and it will create your API key. You can now just copy this and come back to Content Gorilla, paste this and hit the authenticate button, and as you can see, it has successfully been authenticated. Now you can go back to your dashboard and you can start using Content Gorilla.